Okay, what does the code require? For some of you, this is a new chart. For some of you, this is old hat. Basically, this is what I look at. It tells me when you're in a climate zone 1 through 8 here in the US, or in California, a little bit different with Title 24, but let's take, for example, Zone 5, compliance prescriptively. There's a first number that's an R plus something. That first R plus for, let's say, Zone 5 is an R13. That means that's your cavity insulation. That's what's behind the wall here in the cavity. And then you're required to have an R10 on the outside. This product represents an R10 by itself. So if you were to take the prescriptive path and put an R13 in your wall, put this on the outside, you're finished, you've met code, you're all done. However, walls are getting thicker and thicker, right? So more CI, energy codes are growing, we're requiring walls to do more. That means that more continuous insulation is going to be required, and so it becomes more important for detailing these and designing them that you get as much R value as you can thermally, and you can still keep your wall relatively thin as possible. So the example here for for Zone 5 for 2024, probably not adopted in a lot of places yet, but it's coming. The important thing to note here is that R0. R0 has never been in the building code. That means you don't need cavity insulation if you put enough continuous insulation. Point being, CI is growing, cavity insulation is less important. It's all about the building science, keeping your dew point in a safe place, and meeting the code. Okay. And lastly, for everyone that specifies and writes specs, designers, consultants, we put this in our guide spec in Division 6 because it's a sheathing product first and foremost, and that may be the highest opportunity for sheathing installers to see it, but I've also seen it in Division 7. It's a thermal product. It also has an air and water barrier. So all these components in composite products make things a little trickier to specify because they're unique, right? We didn't have a product before where you could put it in multiple places in a guide spec.